You should have told the ambassador that 11 is really for me.
Excellency, your boss will come. Sorry.
Just hold on. Hold on, okay?
We're taking establishment shots.
My name is Professor Joseph Goldluck, an instructor with the Abuja Leadership Center, and we are here to pay a courtesy visit on His Excellency President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. This is course 1, by implication the maiden first class of the Leadership Center. And we are here to visit him and to distill from him those leadership characters and attitudes that make up a leader he is. He's been a great leader, not only within the Nigerian context, but African and then globally. He's been a leader of repute. And this class came to visit him and have an interaction with him, and it's been very, very fruitful. Well, yeah, we've gained a lot, what it takes to be a good leader when we're talking of public governance. Listen to the people that you work with, be very empathetic to the people you work with, and give everybody the opportunity to be able to, as a way of encouragement, to be able to develop their potentials. And that's all what we need. People should be listened to. Then we are living in very hard times now, and leadership issues are very critical, and we are thankful to God that He gave us the audience. Well, we're talking about leadership. The center started during his regime, if you may want to know. And one thing about leaders is a good leader is the one that picks very good seeds to plant. And the good seed, the quality seed he picked was the idea of a center like this. And the center has now grown, and these are the first fruits that have come to visit him. So it was on purpose. He was chosen as the first to be visited. And more so, he has always demonstrated very strong leadership qualities for in Africa. And the leadership issues, leadership deficit, the bane and the problem that we have in many nations today. And we're happy that he is a Nigerian. So he spoke to us as a father who's been there before, and we really learned from him.
Thank you.